So I'm officially going to sound like an old man when I say this never used to happen during my day. Now, the issue is, and unfortunately, it's typically the adult son, but it's the parent who's asking me, how do I get my adult child or my adult son or daughter out of the house? And that's why I say it's usually guys. So sorry, guys, I'm just being honest. I don't think I've ever had that question posed to me, and it was actually a daughter that they were trying to get out of the house. But, they came back from school or whatever. They stayed home. They said, I'm only going to be here for a while. Clock is ticking. It's been 3 years, and now they refuse to leave. Even sometimes I've heard situations where the parents give them money. Now, before I answer, the client always says, and I don't have a lease, and they don't pay any rent. And my answer is always going to be the same. You're still going to have to go through the eviction process. And the reason why, it's very simple. It's not a criminal case. It's not trespassing. Trespassing with me, I go to your house, you gave me permission to go, and then you say, you can go now, and I refuse to leave. I didn't, all I brought with me was what? My stuff, my clothing, my cell phone. I didn't move in furniture, clothing. My favorite sofa's not there, recliner. None of that is there, which establishes residency. So calling the police might be good if there's some sort of danger. You just want to have it documented, but there's nothing they can do because residency has been established in your home. So you're going to have to go through the eviction process. It does not matter that there's no lease or anything else like that. They're going to, that is the process to go through. And while I haven't seen that situation extend to that point, if the eviction goes all the way through and he doesn't leave, then that's when the cops will come in. It is trespassing because once there's a court order that says the property reverts back to the owner, or in this case, the tenant has to leave, even though it's a son or daughter, then at that point, it is a trespassing issue for police. All right? Any questions or comments, feel free to post them in the comment section below, and I hope you're not having to deal with this stuff. Take care and happy holidays.